Welcome. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by constant notifications from a busy Messenger group chat, then this guide is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to mute message and call notifications in group chats on Messenger, so you can enjoy some peace without leaving the group. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Look for the group chat that's been filling your screen with messages and tap to open it. Once you're inside the chat, head to the very top of the screen. You'll see the group's name right there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open the chat settings and give you a bunch of helpful options to manage how the group works for you. Next, scroll through the settings until you find the option that says Mute Notifications. This feature allows you to turn off incoming alerts from the group, so you won't hear or see constant reminders of new activity. When you tap on it, you'll notice you also have the choice to mute call notifications along with messages. That means no more unexpected rings from the group while you're in the middle of work, studying, or just trying to relax. Now comes the part where you decide how long you want the silence. Messenger gives you flexible options, so you can mute notifications for a short while, like a few minutes or hours, or go with something longer, like a full day, several days, or even until you turn them back on yourself. Pick the duration that fits your needs best and confirm your choice. From that moment on, your phone will no longer buzz, ping, or light up every time someone drops a new message in that group. Don't worry, you can still open the chat whenever you want, and all the messages will be there waiting for you. The mute feature is just a way to take back control of your time and avoid unnecessary distractions. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can mute any Messenger group chat and stay focused on what really matters. Remember, you can always return to the settings later if you decide to turn notifications back on. Now you know exactly how to manage your Messenger group notifications with ease.